Okay, got a laser, order 66 of our sponsor, Steven Seagull and Bear Kitty Cat. I think Bear Kitty Cat wants to try and open the box. Yeah, he's into cardboard. He's into cardboard. Yeah. Oh no, wants to lay on it. Okay, it's time to try and unbox this. Okay. I think this is it's open. It's Majesty's Secret Service. It's gatefold. It's got all this additional wrapping on the discs, you know. So I'm taking this off. Probably cut it out there, or probably stick it in, you know, so save that sort of bit. I'll save those little bits, put them inside the cover. Oh, nice gatefold. Oh. Don't get this with UHD discs. Look at that. Wow. Don't ask me. I can't even pronounce it. Something Life Out of Balance, but I can't pronounce a word of that. Francis Walcott. I believe it's music. Oh yeah, got Philip Glass here. I'll check this out later. Should be interesting. It's opened. Whew, wow. Yeah, this will be interesting. Another laserdisc. Single. And this is sealed. From Russia with Love. Oh, there's that guy from Jaws. Gonna need a bigger boat. Whoa. A bond. It's a bit of bondage here, I think. You only live twice. This is sealed. Yeah, sealed. Fly 2. Sealed. The Lion King. AC3. THX. Should be interesting. Back to the Future 2. Sealed. Letterbox widescreen. Coma. Opened. Got the Region 1 DVD, so it'd be interesting in what this pressing's like. It's deluxe letterbox, so widescreen, 185. That's the laser discs, and thank you to our sponsor, Steven Seagull. Steven Seagull. Whoa, look at the kitties. Oh, Melly's having a sniff around here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Whoa, okay.